Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to use user defaults to store normal key value data inside a native macOS application. Now this is very similar to native iOS, so I won't take much of your time. So I have created 4 buttons: create, read, update and delete. So first we will look at the code. So here I have created just user defaults variable. I have created 4 buttons, assigned some click functionality to each and every one of them. Then I have assigned some NS layout constraints as well. Then if you see inside the create button, so for the key username I am storing some value called John Doe. Then for reading the data I am first checking whether there is a key of username inside user defaults or not. If yes, then print it to the console. Then for updating is kind of like creating as well. I'm not sure if there is no key, then what will happen, but it is pretty much similar. For the same username I just have to call set as well, and for removing I just have to call remove object followed by the key name. So if you see, if I click on create, the key has been created. If I now try to read, here you can see the username. If I update, it has been updated, and if I try to read again, here you can see the name has been updated. And if I delete, the key has been deleted. If I try to read again, you can see nothing has been printed. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.